When I came back to Kuala Lumpur, places that I used to hang out with my friends in Kampung Baru, some places are already gone. So I think as a photographer, I think it's a good project to start, because I think maybe in 10 to 20 years everything's going to be gone or going to be different. Early 2014, I had an assignment with Coconuts KL. That's when my first encounter with the locals, residents, and starting from there, I started to go on my own to do this project. Contrast is very obvious. It's so blatant that you cannot, So everywhere you see, you're gonna see these traditional houses and modern building at the background. Yeah, the contrast, just like this one here. He's like he had the mohawk hair, but in the same time, he has all these rings. Living in the traditional, yes, with the windows and everything. It's just the photo, these portraits, like showing exactly what I wanted to show. The people struggling to hold to their heritage. In the same time, the modernization is coming in. I think this is what photo documentary is all about, telling people the truth.